The future of cooking, cyber-tribal barbecue with robots. Ever wondered what a barbecue cooked by robots in a cyberpunk tribe would taste like? Buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the delicious digital future of grilling. Forget everything you know about backyard barbecues. We're talking eye-powered smokers, laser-guided skewers, and robotic arms flipping burgers with atomic precision. Imagine a world where your grill is smarter than your phone. It analyzes the meat's composition, adjusts the temperature in real time, and even sends you notifications when it's perfectly cooked. No more dry chicken or burnt sausages. These aren't your grandpa's rusty grills. We're talking sleek, chrome-plated, self-cleaning machines that look like they belong on a spaceship. Get ready to impress your neighbors with the ultimate grilling gadget. What happens when ancient barbecue traditions meet futuristic technology? You get cyber-tribal cuisine. Think smoked meats infused with molecular gastronomy techniques. Imagine tasting a brisket that's been aged with sonic vibrations, or a pulled pork sandwich with a hint of edible glitter. It's a fusion of old and new, where tradition gets a high-tech makeover. We're talking about flavors you've never experienced before. Exotic spices grown in vertical farms, meats cultivated in labs, and sauces concocted by AI chefs. Your taste buds are in for a wild ride. The future of barbecue isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. Picture a digital campfire where people from all over the world can share recipes, grilling tips, and virtual high fives. Imagine attending a virtual barbecue with friends, even if they're miles away. You can share the same digital feast, swap stories, and enjoy the camaraderie of a shared meal. This is more than just cooking. It's about building a community, a tribe of barbecue enthusiasts connected by their love of food, technology, and good times. Ready to ditch the charcoal and embrace the future of barbecue? Subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering content, futuristic recipes, and exclusive interviews with the Robo-Grill Masters themselves. Share this video with your fellow foodies, and let us know in the comments what futuristic barbecue creation you'd like to see next. Let's fire up the future, one delicious bite at a time.